In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Hostinger affiliate partner for 2024. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're looking to monetize your website or if you're keen on promoting a reputable hosting service. I'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to Hostinger's website. You can easily access it by typing the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you land on the homepage, you'll get a feel for what Hostinger is all about, bringing ideas online with their comprehensive website hosting services. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their offerings, as this will also help you in marketing their services effectively. As you browse the site, scroll down until you spot the affiliate program link. This is your gateway into the program. Clicking on this link will take you to a page dedicated to Hostinger's affiliate program, detailing the advantages and opportunities you stand to gain by becoming an affiliate. Pay attention to the enticing benefits, such as the competitive commission rates and the robust support system they offer to affiliates. These points are great hooks when you're pitching Hostinger to potential customers. Now, once you're on the affiliate program page, keep an eye out for an option that says Access Affiliate Platform. You'll want to click on that to proceed. This will direct you to the interface where you can manage your affiliate account. It's worth noting that before applying for the program, ensure you have a relevant platform or audience that would be interested in hosting services. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or any online space where you engage with a tech-savvy audience. After accessing the platform, you need to enter your details to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see an option to sign up, which usually involves providing basic information like your name, email, and website details. Make sure you fill in these details accurately, as this information is crucial for Hostinger to evaluate your application. You might also need to verify your email address as part of the registration process, so keep your email inbox handy. Once you've logged in, you're all set to start your journey as a Hostinger affiliate partner. You can begin accessing promotional materials, tracking tools, and everything you need to start earning commissions. Remember, the key to maximizing your success as an affiliate is to engage with your audience authentically and provide them with honest, insightful recommendations. And there you have it, you are now well equipped to sign up and become a Hostinger affiliate partner. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on making the most of online partnerships.